Oh, good morning. And off those four go. And there's Stella flirting. Okay, let's go check on the wild mallard. We had rain last night. Oh, frog. They always make me jump. Good morning, ma'am. You've switched positions. How are we doing? Huh? Still no babies? I know, soon. Keep saying any day now. It has to be any day now. The male was last seen here. I need to share that video because he was last seen here the 31st of March. So it has to be soon. Has to be. Unless my calculations are way off.